السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم التدريسي أستاذ مساعد دكتور رقيه منذر جليل، كلية الصيدلة جامعة بابل. محاضرتنا هذا الأسبوع طلبة المرحلة الثانية، مادة علم الفيروسات. Virus bacteria differences. How are bacteria different from virus? Bacteria and virus are too tiny to see with the naked eye. They can cause similar symptoms and are often spread in the same way, but are different in most other ways. Bacteria are single cells that can survive on their own, inside or outside the body. Most bacteria aren't harmful. In fact, you have many harmless and helpful bacteria on your skin and inside your body, especially in the gut to help digest foods. Viruses are smaller and are not cells. Unlike bacteria, they need hosts such as a human or animal to multiply. Viruses cause infection by the entering and multiplying inside the body healthy cell. Bacteria infection different from viral infection. It can be difficult to know what causes an infection because viral and bacterial infection can cause similar symptoms. Your doctor may need sample of your urine, stool or blood or swab from your nose or throat to see what sort of infection you have. If you have symptoms on infection, it is important to know if it's caused by bacteria or virus because the treatment differs. This figure shows the difference between virus and bacteria. Viruses are smallest and simplest life from now. There are 10 to 100 times smaller than bacteria. The biggest difference between viruses and bacteria is that viruses must have living hosts like plant or animal to multiply, while most bacteria can grow on non-living surface. There are some useful bacteria, but all viruses are harmful. Antibiotic cannot kill virus, but can kill most bacteria, with the exception of most gram-negative bacteria. Bacteria are single called prokaryotic microorganisms that exist in abundance in both living hosts and in all areas of the plant. Example, soil, water. By their nature, they can be either good or bad for the health of a plant, human, and other animals that come into contact with them. Oncogene. The oncogene was another type of viruses and related with cancer or tumor disease, which can now about, also called carcinogenesis or tumorigenesis, is the formation of cancer where normal cells are transformed into cancer cells. The process is characterized by change at the cellular, genetic, and epigenetic level and abnormal cell division. However, the majority, approximately 80% of human cancer, are not induced by virus and apparently arise from other causes such as radiation and chemical carcinogenesis. Therefore, in terms of our overall understanding of cancer, it has been critically important that studies of viral oncogene also led to the identification of cellular oncogene, which are involved in the development of non-virus induced cancers. Major carcinogenes implicate in the three most common cancers worldwide. Number 1, lung cancer is the most common cancer in the world. 106 million cases of total cancer cases and death. 1,000.4 million deaths, 80.2% of total cancer death. Lung cancer is largely caused by tobacco smoke. Lung cancer, also known as lung carcinoma. Signs about 98 to 99% of all lung cancer are carcinomas, is a malignant lung tumor characterized by uncontrolled cell growth in tissue of the lung. Number 2, breast cancer. Breast cancer is the second most common cancer. 1,000.4 million cases, 10,000.9%, but rank 5th as case of death. Increased risk of breast cancer is associated with persistently elevated blood level of estrogen, family history of breast cancer, older age. This also related with the disease. Number 3, colon cancer. Colorectal cancer is the third most common cancer. 1,000.2 million cases, 9.4%. Tobacco smoke may be responsible for up to 20% of colorectal cancer in the United States. Virus that cause cancer. You may not associate virus with cancer, but there are several oncoviruses that increase your risk for the disease. Number 1, Epstein-Barr virus is herpes virus that spread through saliva. Epstein-Barr virus infection increase the risk of Burkitt lymphoma, some and stomach cancer. There is currently no vaccine for Epstein-Barr virus. Number 2, hepatitis B virus is spread through infected blood and other body fluid. Hepatitis B is leading causes of liver cancer. Number 3, hepatitis C virus is spread through infected blood. Hepatitis C is leading cause of liver cancer. This figure shows effect of tobacco smoking on lungs of human and that cause carcinogenesis or tumor in the lungs. شكرا لإصغائكم.